What's going on, y'all? Game Dad 7 here. Do y'all have Detolf shelves in your room? Want to make the lighting look pro? Check it out. Alright, let's take these standard lights and go from boring to beautiful. These amazing lights are from Luke Light. They are $35 a case to light, and as you can see here, really illuminate your statues and figures beautifully. Let's take a look and see how easy it is to put together. Opening up the case here is something really important, are these black brackets that the light strip is housed in. These are sold separately. They're $32 to furnish an entire case. So make sure you buy as many packs of these as cases you want to light. The lights come down the gray poles here. As you can see, it comes with these great zip ties that are identical in color so you can barely see them. And then it just goes down across the whole way in a Z-like fashion. The wires come out the back of the case in a little hole in the top. They are a little short, so I had to buy an extender. I wanted a remote, so I bought a plug that connects to a remote. It's only 17 bucks. It actually comes in a 3-pack. It's really helpful. Aside from the items I'd mentioned that have prices, everything else comes in the kit. I recommend having themes for your cases. This way it displays nicely. Also, try to come up with something to put on top. Feel free to ask me any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.